Okay. So today I am going to discuss about the air pollution problem in Delhi, and specifically I will be talking about microplastics in Delhi's air. Today there is a news by NDTV News, and the news is based on the research which is being carried out by Indian Tropical Meteorological Institute Pune as well as Savitribai Phule Pune University. These two Indian institutes carried out the research for 1 year about microplastics in Delhi, and the research indicates that the level of microplastics in Delhi is constantly increasing. Now, what are the factors because of which the microplastics in Delhi is increasing? There are a number of factors we will discuss in detail about this one, but the shocking news and the surprising fact is that the research indicates that during the winter season there were about 10 microplastic inhaled by each person in a single day, and this amount of microplastic inhalation rose to 10.7 to 21.4 from winter to summer season. That means the people used to inhale 10 microplastic per day in the winter season, and that number of microplastic inhalation increased for 10.7 to 21.4 microplastics per day during the winter season. That means the microplastics during the winter season are comparatively less, and during the summer season the amount of microplastics is very, very high in the Delhi's air. So this is the news, and the news is carried out by very, very prominent institutes of India, and I'll go in more details about the impact of what are the factors, what are the sources from which these microplastics are released in Delhi's air, what is its impact on human health, what is its impact on environment, and what are the best possible strategies to control or minimize the microplastics in Delhi's air. But before that, I just wanted to highlight you one area in South Delhi where you yourself can see how pathetic is the situation and how much amount of plastic is in garbage, Delhi's garbage, and this plastic itself further